Hello guys and welcome back to our channel, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So we're here again for another adventure here at Edmonton and experiencing the K days. Warning, this is before the pandemic happened. K days, formerly known as the Edmonton Exhibition Klondike Days and the Capital X, is an annual 10-day exhibition held in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, mostly in late July. In recent years, it was attracted between 700,000 to 800,000 visitors per year. It runs in conjunction with the Taste of Edmonton and from 2006 to 2012, the Edmonton Indie. The exhibition hosted by Northlands is held at the Exhibition Lands adjoining Edmonton Expo Centre. K-Days begin 5 days after the Calgary Stampede. Until 2009, it began 4 days after, making it end on Sunday of July's last weekend. Fair was originally named the Edmonton Exhibition from its founding in 1879 until 1964, when it was renamed Klondike Days. The name was changed to Capital X in 2006. There was some controversy over the change in name from Klondike Days, with many locals continuing to refer to the exhibition as Klondike Days or K-Days. Ken Knowles, president of Northlands, explained that the rebranding was so much more than a name. It was about the programming and opportunity to showcase the best of the region and the province. The name change was recognized at the 2007 Alberta Tourism Awards, where Knowles stated, "This recognition from the tourism industry is particularly gratifying as it reinforces our ongoing efforts through Capital X to continue to celebrate our province and to build Alberta pride." Before the 2012 event, Northlands announced that the Capital X name would be retired and a new name would be chosen by a public vote. Event goers choose K-Days from the 6 names offered. The new name for the fair was announced on July 29, 2012. The original Klondike Days name was not one of the 6 options available. Some fans of the event's previous name, Klondike Days, have stated that the name change to Capital X was a poor decision due to the region's history. Many feel that the event being renamed back to K-Days by the overwhelming majority of the vote shows just how much of a mistake the initial name was changed. Let's backtrack to history. The Edmonton Agricultural Society organized the first local exhibition on the original Fort Edmonton site on October 15, 1879. This was the first event of its kind held in what was known as the Northwest Territories. Edmonton's first fair showcased locally produced livestock, grain, vegetables, and handiwork and attracted 500 people. Calgary and Saskatoon soon started their own exhibition in 1886, with Regina following in 1894. In 1893, the organization held the city's first spring expedition, and in 1899, the exhibition grounds were relocated to Rosedale Flats, now Edmonton Ballpark. By 1904, the exhibition's attendance exceeded 20,000, 2,200 on opening day, and the first parade to promote the fair was held in 1903. However, the fair did not organize a community parade in the 1930s and 1940s. Fair was relocated to its current site in Northlands, now named Edmonton Expo Centre, in 1910, and in 1912 it was extended to 6 days. It continued to be held through the First World War, even though the facilities were at the disposal of the Canadian military. A similar arrangement was made during the Second World War and through this time with the Royal Canadian Air Force. The exhibition was renamed Klondike Days in 1962, with a theme revolving around the Klondike Gold Rush. The public embraced the theme with relish, dressing up in period costumes for the Klondike Days opening parade. In 2004, Northlands Park celebrated the 125th anniversary of the fair. The Klondike Days parade's theme commemorated the city of Edmonton's 100th anniversary in that year. Fair attendance continued to climb, breaking the 800,000 attendance mark in 2005. However, in 2006, attendance fell to 688,369, coinciding with the year that the name of the exhibition was changed to Capital X. The change was met with both protest and excitement from citizens. Some felt a name change was unnecessary, while others felt it was time to drop traditional themes, citing that there was no longer an interest in dressing up in Klondike themed clothing during the week-long exhibition.
Northlands decided not to release the 2008 attendance numbers due to an agreement with the Indy Racing League. However, Northlands changed its decision and released the attendance figures showing a total of 743,274 attendees.
Looking back, we are very grateful and fortunate enough to experience this fun and exciting day here at K-Days Edmonton, Canada. Hoping that this pandemic will end and we will all get to enjoy another K-Day experience during this summer. For now, this 2021, we are not sure if the K-Days will open, but we are looking forward for another day like this where there is no hassle of masking, social distancing, and just enjoying pure fun and quality time with our family. So, thank you for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and please do keep safe and stay healthy. And I'll see you on our next video. Thank you for watching.